Introducing the next generation of i3D Integrator. Enable users to use the floor plan as an interface in multiple die and interposer design. Easy drag and drop in the i3D Integrator project view. Quickly organize and move design components. This function is available under the environment variable. Let's move forward to the demo, and I have an HBM design here, with C4 at the bottom and SoC in between and HBM. In this design, we have a total of 4 HBM designs. We add a new design here. Drag the top HBM and place it in my new design. This shows users that we can use the floor plan as an interface. There we go. Users can check display control for the new instance from the right side window. Zoom to all. I will drag the C4 interface, and you can check the visibility from the display control in the right-hand side. I have my C4 in place, instance H, BM1, and SoC again. Next, I will drag C4 bump and SoC. Zoom out a little bit. Well, the benefit of using this hierarchical instance is that it performs much faster and much more efficiently without needing to create duplicate copies of the design. I will place another HBM into my new SoC. If you notice, you can see that I have 2 HBM designs overlapping with each other. Users can always check the display control for design visibility. I can easily move the component.